So lastly, we are going to look at the application icons. So application icons are like shortcuts to applications that you have on the computer. So most time whenever we install a new app in the system, it will demand to have a shortcut on the desktop. Alright, so that shortcut is what leads us to the application. It's not actually that is the major application. That is what leads us to the application. Okay, so like any app that I see, you have at the bottom left corner an arrow like this showing there. It means that thing is a shortcut to either a directory or application, but in this case we are talking about an application. Okay, so even in folder I can create a shortcut in a folder and I can say create desktop shortcut. Alright, so this shortcut represents this folder this. So if I delete this shortcut, I have not deleted anything here. Even though that if I open it, it's going to open for me what is inside the folder, but it's just a mere shortcut. So even if I delete it, shift delete to delete permanently, you see this thing still contains those documents. Alright, so we can create a shortcut to anything, but we're looking at shortcut to applications. So the same thing applies. Whenever we see an app, we see it with a shortcut like an arrow key there. It means it is a shortcut to that application. You can easily create it while installing the application. Sometimes, in most cases, it will demand whether you want a shortcut on your desktop, or you can drag and drop. I can do this and then I drop it. Once I do that, I have created a shortcut to access on my desktop. Okay, so even if I delete this shortcut, I have not in any way deleted access from my system. I can still do some jobs in access. So the only way to actually delete an application in my computer, is to go to uninstall. Go to the control panel, go to uninstall. That is where you can delete or remove a folder from the application. So for example, I can right click here and then I will have that, or I simply search for control panel. Once I type control, I will see control panel showing me here. So if I go to the control panel on my GUI and I go to uninstall a program, I will see applications that are already installed in this system. Anyone I feel like I don't need, I will simply do what? Click on it and I will say uninstall. So whenever I uninstall something from the system, that application doesn't exist again in that system. So that is it on the properties of the computer desktop. Meet you in the next class.